could, can't, be able to? Let's start with expressing ability. So we use these modal verbs to show that someone has or doesn't have an ability to do something. Now, expressing ability, we need to use different modal verbs when using different tenses. So, let's take a look. We use the modal verb can when talking about the ability in the present tense. For example, I can speak English. We use the modal verb could when talking about ability in the past. For example, when I was 6, I could ride a bicycle. Now, as can and could cannot be used to talk about ability in all tenses, in this case we use be able to in other tenses. For example, they are not able to write correctly. Or, will they be able to find their keys? So now let's look at a quick example for expressing ability in the present tense using the modal verbs can't and can. So in this sentence, the dog can't read, but he can run. We can see the modal verb can't right before the verb read. Now this is expressing the ability he doesn't have. And we can see the modal verb can right before the verb run. Now this is expressing the ability he does have. This sentence is in the present tense. The dog can't read, but he can run. So now that we know how to use modals of ability, let's take a look at what specific situations we can use them in. So we use can and can't to talk about someone's specific skill or general ability. For example, she can speak several languages. Now we can also use can and can't to talk about the ability to do something at a specific time in the present or future. For example, I can see you. Now, we use could have to say that someone had the ability or opportunity to do something, but they didn't want to do it or they did not do it. For example, she could have learned French, but she didn't want to. So I hope this has given you the knowledge to be able to express ability using various tenses. I'll see you next time.